This recipe features vegan boat-shaped dumplings topped with yogurt and sumac. To begin, start by prepping the filling. I had some of the filling from my dumplings recipe left over, which already had some salt, black pepper, and red pepper flakes. I just added about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and a teaspoon of red pepper paste and combine. Then cut wonton wraps into smaller pieces to make smaller dumplings. This time around, I am just using the tip of my finger to wet the sides with water and taking the bottom 2 corners of the wonton wrap to meet the top corners. Then I press and line in a small baking tray. Once your tray is filled, put it in the oven for about 20 minutes or until crispy and brown at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. While that is in the oven, you can prep the tomato sauce you will pour over the crispy dumplings. Add enough tomato paste, red pepper paste, salt, red pepper flakes, and black pepper. Then little by little add water. Remember, the consistency should be watery. Once the dumplings are cooked, take it out of the oven and pour over the sauce. As you can see, mine came out too pasty. Put the tray back in the oven and make the yogurt topping. Just add 2 tablespoons of vegan yogurt to 1 garlic and mix. Finally, take out the dumplings and pour the yogurt over. Top it with some sumac if you have any, and it's ready to eat. Thanks for watching.